It is 4 o'clock, and we're bored.
We'll be dead.
Well,
I just got back from wrestling.
What'd you say?
Just got back from wrestling. Nintendo Home Alone. Game over here.
Oh. We drank a whole. Oh yeah.
it's like freaking addicting.
Hey, put that back in. We ate a lot of baked hot Cheetos, a lot of Twizzlers, a lot of Hershey's, soda, a lot of Brisk,
I'm gonna
a
get
lot
Twinkie.
of Rolos,
I'm gonna get Twinkie.
a lot of Twinkies,
They're called Ding Dongs.
Ding Dongs, and we're done.
I'm sore.
Throw that in the trash, boy. Oh my god, I'm gonna sleep all day. 4 o'clock right now. I'm gonna sleep till like 7:30. And wake up and do the same thing over and over and over.
You know what it feels like? Today's Sat. Oh, never mind. It is Saturday. It feels like today's Saturday. So this was just a shout out early in the morning. So
Shout out
you guys
to
later.
everybody.
Right
Subscribe. Twinkie Power.
Right here.
No, Twinkie, that's a ding dong.
Right here.
Ding dong your mom. Hey, put your sign up. What you bang? What you bang?